Today, I will show how to buy shares of Fresenius Medical Care AG, ticker FMS, listed on NASDAQ. Fresenius Medical Care provides dialysis products and renal services, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FMS to find Fresenius Medical Care AG. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the company name to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company overview, business description, and the price chart to confirm details. Verify the symbol FMS and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the right equity. To place an order, click Invest, enter or select the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will request additional deposit before finalizing. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and set alerts. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.